Tahoe. This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. If you are new to MacBook, MacBook Pro, iMac, and you are using macOS Tahoe for the first time, so where to see all these options. So without any further ado, let's go. Here we are. This is a desktop of macOS 26 Tahoe in your iMac, MacBook, and MacBook Pro. Here are many options you can see. First of all, at the corner, I click this clock or date option, so you can see all the notification recently you have. If you click the next button, you'll see more options: Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, which application, which song is playing now. You can check that. Eardrop option. After that, you see mirroring option. This is day, night, or other things. Display light, you can up and down the light of your display. I have two monitor connected, Sony and LG ultra wide, so you can change the light of your display. Then you have volume. You see how glassy this controller. Next one, if you click edit here, you can add more things, same as the iPhone. This is something new to macOS Tahoe. Before it wasn't there. So if you want to add more shortcut, you see, choose the shortcut, put here, Sesame shortcut, done. So if I want to add more things, stopwatch, I click here, there is a stopwatch, or you can put as you like, then click done button. Click this one, you see I have a spot watch now, start. So from this slide down option here with this button as iPhone. Next option here, if we go, this is Apple Intelligent. You can ask anything to Siri here. Obviously you have to activate Siri. Next you have searching option. You have the searching button. If you click this one, you can search any application in your MacBook Pro. Type for example Chrome here. You'll see anything, person, WhatsApp, whatever you want to search, you can search across your computer. Next one icon I have, this is Google Drive. I have, you may not see in your computer, could be deeper from people to people. After that, I have OneDrive option. So if you have OneDrive, you click open OneDrive, your OneDrive will appear. So these are the top bar you can see, and it's a transparent because macOS Tahoe is transparent, glassy operating system. And this is the recording button. I'm recording with QuickTime, so if I click, it will off my recording. After that, at the bottom, you have different app icons. You can have access to any application from here, from the dock. It has a zoom effect, so whenever I touch anything, it's become more bigger. Okay, and behind you see glassy finishing. At the corner here we have Finder option. In Finder you have setting, empty beans, you can clean all the beans from here. Then file option, you can see new file window, new folder, new smart folder, and few more things. In edit, whenever you open one application, all the settings of that application will appear there. For example, I click Safari. So when it's Safari, you see Safari appears here, and all the things, new private window, every option of Safari will appear here. New bookmark, everything. So you manipulate, zoom it, field center, you can do everything from the top bar from here of that current application, which one is running. Now let's do some customizing in Mac. You can do that. You can go to the system setting at the bottom. I have here. If you don't have here, you can click Apple logo here. You will have surely system setting. Go inside system setting. In system setting, let's go to some modifications. So we'll go to here, appear. In Mac OS 26, you have default. When you have default, you will see all the icon default as usual. But when you click dock, they will change total. You will see some new sort of icon. They are beautiful, magnificent. Dark crystal, liquid glass, they become. When you put clear, then you will see more light version of them. They look magnificent. You see how beautiful it is appear. Okay, here if you click light, they're gonna be more light. You see how glassy crystal they become? Lovely. And then you have tinted option. Tinted, you can decide the color, now blue. And here is automatic, so automatic with day and night it will change. So I leave this as a clear, light, and clear as a new look. You see how beautiful with the crystal glass look it has. After that, you can change the color of the theme. It's blue. You can put purple. You can put pink. You see how change the color of the theme. You see here the edges, everything is changes, red, orange, as you like, green, lovely. I leave this one as a green, beautiful. It look quite shiny, appealing. And you can do more modification if you want. Here at the top you have automatic, it will change color. You see how the theme changes, all become dark because it's night. Is light, see all is light, you can see here. Then only dark, so it will remain dark, day and night doesn't matter. I put here light, it looks good with white with green. So this is Appear. After Appear we can go to wallpaper option. You can change the wallpaper of your Mac OS 26. This is Tahoe Day, the principal wallpaper of this computer or this operating system. You have 32 new wallpaper. Choose with, you have Sequoia, the old operating system. Here you have Sequoia, Macintosh, Sonoma, Mac OS Beta, this one is new. If we go more down, you will see more option here. Show all, iMac, different wallpaper of different generation you have. I put this one. More colorful option you have. At the top, dynamic wallpaper. These are different wallpaper of different OS. This is Ventura. If you put this, you see this one. This is Monterey, blue, purple, beautiful. I like this one a lot. Big Sur, okay. So you can decide, you can change. Big Sur was very popular. Catalina was popular so much from 2020 if I'm not wrong. And after that, iMac, new version, they came out with this wallpaper. You can see here. So you have all these hundreds of wallpaper to decide to change with and play with them. Some old version, Big Sur graphics, beautiful this wallpaper as well. So these are the changes you can do from wallpaper option. After that, for example, you don't want all the transparent option appear here. You want as a normal look. So first of all, we go to appearance. We put all them default. So all the logos should be as a default, but it's still all is transparent here and there. And you want to erase all the transparent option. In this case, you have to go to accessibility. In accessibility, you have to go inside the display option. Here, reduce transparency in display option. Click this one. So it will bring back your Mac OS as old Mac OS 18 Ventura or other classical look. You see, it's become everything normal as an older Mac. If you want to return back to this one, only clicking this icon. Okay, now let's go to more functionality here. At the top, the first option you see Wi-Fi. You want to connect with your Wi-Fi. You can connect with also your phone Wi-Fi directly here. So iPhone, here is iPhone connected. So if your internet is not working, you can connect with your phone here. Then Bluetooth, you will see all the Bluetooth speaker, the network option. Then energy. In energy, you can activate low power mode if you want. So it will save energy in your Mac. So activate low power mode or power authentic or other things. And battery are the option you can control. Then you have general. In general, normally you have about software update. If you want to see new update, you can go and see. At the moment, I have Mac OS Tahoe beta version, that is beta 3. Menu bar option after that. So menu bar, what application you want to appear at the top, which icon. For example, Bluetooth is off, so I hit here, so Bluetooth will appear. Then time machine, this is a backup. You want to back up your Mac in this case. I click weather here, so you see at the top the weather appears 12 degrees Celsius at the moment at my place. fine. And Google Drive, if you don't want your Google Drive appear, can on OneDrive. You can control this visibility from this menu bar option. Then we'll go to Apple Intelligence here. Apple Intelligence at the moment is not working properly. I would be honest with you in this case. If you want to activate, click this one. You have Siri, you can activate Siri here. Changes different thing of Siri, you can do all of them here. But to be honest, it's not working properly. If you activate here and if you want to see, for example, you click here, click this icon of mic. Hey Siri, what is the capital of United States?
Washington, D.C. is the capital of United States.
The Siri of my iPhone is working better than Mac. You can see my phone is listening, but this one is so-so. Let's go to the next option here. Is desktop and dock option. So the size of your dock is this one at the bottom. You can decide. You see how it's become bigger? Depend on the monitor, you can decide the size. This is smaller, this is big. So I leave as this. Also magnification. So you see how much magnifying is. When I touch, it's become more bigger. If you don't want that much bigger, this is medium magnification. You can off. So they will not magnify anything, but it's beautiful when they magnify. Then dock position, you can go to bottom, can change. It's going to left to my other monitor. You can see here it's in the left. If I put right, so it comes back to the right. And if I put at the bottom, it comes to the bottom. And you have many other options related to dock. Next option is display. Here it would appear all the displays, monitor connected. I have two display, LG ultra wide that is 29, and Sony display that is 32 inch. So I choose Sony here. When I click, you will see option. You can use it as a main display, extended display, mirror to LG ultra wide. So I put as a main display, and you can decide the resolution. This is full HD I put here. And HD Ultra, the same way you can decide. This is UHD, that is 2516 to 1080. If you have 4K display, you can connect there and set the option of 4K. You see 100 Hertz. You can change the Hertz, how much is alive. Rotation, you can rotate your display 90%, 180, 270. For example, LG, I rotate, you see, become 90 wide range display. Then 180, you see, ups and down, and 270, totally other way. Lovely. So you can use it as a tall display as you want. The position as a horizontal and vertical as you like. Notification, next one. So here you can decide when you'll get notification. I put always I get notification. When display is sleeping, also one notification. When screen is locked, also one notification. In this case, allow notification from iPhone. So anything from iPhone, anything happen, all the iPhone notification you can see here. All the apps from my iPhone I can see here, and I can set from this app I want to have notification in my Mac. Next one is sound option. Your volume, you can input and output. You can decide output. These are the output available for me. LG Ultra monitor, Sony TV, USB audio. I can hit Sony, LG. I can decide all of them has a speaker. And this is output volume, more or less. And this is the balance. It should be at middle, because if you put one side, you will not have a stereo effect. At the top, you have sound effect. In this case, you also can decide which speaker the sound effect will listen, and the volume of alert you can decide. Login password option here, the change the login password of a user. Here Apple Watch, you can see with the Apple Watch you can unlock your Mac as well. If you activate, you can do that. Obviously you have to put your passwords here to set this one. Then user and group options. So this is user group, Harry, Jeffrey, this is the first one. You can open one account for the guests. So any guests that are using your Mac, they can use another side without seeing all your setup and documents. Then internet account, your Hotmail, Gmail, you can connect all the account for calendar. Contact you will have here, you will see them. Game center, if you're a game lover, you see you have to activate, customize a gaming profile. I'm not a gamer in this case, I don't want. Next one, iCloud. So iCloud here, they will tell you how much data in your iCloud is filled. 5 GB is free, after that you have to pay. You can manage all the data of your iCloud, your plans, everything you can see. So I have 1.2 GB of WhatsApp data, iCloud 2.1. So all the data of iCloud you can delete or add new account, you can see here. 12 TB of storage you can have if you update to the plan, and wow, which data you have, all will be visible. Next one is wallet and Apple Pay. You can add a debit card or credit card to your account. Then keyboard option, if you click this one, you can change the rate of keyboard, the fast and slow with this. This is the delay option and the fast option of your keyboard, you can decide. I put short delay and more faster because my keyboard sometimes works a little bit slow. Next one is mouse, important. You can tracking speed of the mouse, you can decide with this. Now you see how slow. So tracking speed always better is when it's fast. When you're using double monitor is more faster. Then the last option here, printer and scanner. So here you can see if any printer connected, default printer, and the size of the printer. You can add a new printer. Here at the moment is not connected any printer. If you have any printer, they will available. So more or less this is all the option you can change your Mac system setting. After that, here appears some widget. I have a calendar. This is the weather widget. This is photo widget. So now come to the bottom. In the dock we have Finder option. Finder is the folder option. You can see here all the recent application, photos, all will be appear here. Then you have application, all the apps, your computer will appear here. Desktop of your computer, every file you will see here. Then documents is a folder, all the documents should be here. Then download, these are the tags. You can tag, for example I tag in purple some of the folder, then I want to use fast whenever I want to search for my classes for other purpose. So you can tag some folder, you click the folder on the right side, you can tag them with different color. I put in the green for example, so it's appear here green and purple. So if I click green, you see it will appear in the green. If I hit in purple, I will see the purple folder as well. After the tag, all the tag, you can see nothing else in Finder. Close this one. The apps drawer, you can see all the application of your Mac. You can delete from here. Also you can see the application of your phone, iPhone appear here, many of them. So this icon means is the application from your phone. Then you have messaging service. You can see all your message here normally. I think this is a message of my phone. All of the phone message I can see here directly. Then you have mail option. If you connect your mail account, mailbox is connected, one of my mail account. Then calendar, see how it is the calendar. The next option is contact, all your contact you can see here is look more as the iPhone at these days. Then more notes, you can take any notes, all your notes will appear here. You can make new notes, fine. You can connect also your Google Notes to here, this part. Then App Store, if you want download any application, you can download from App Store. Here you can see discovery, a card, create, work type of app. You can see when you click get button, you can download any app. And at the last you have bin option. Also you have here in Finder, you can see bin the same. Here empty, you can delete all the file from your bin. If I click this one, it will empty everything, for example this way. So more or less guys, this is the explanation to a new user to Mac who is coming from Windows to use your Mac properly. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.